Today's video is going to talk about simple interest versus compound interest. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a certain amount of money, in this case $600, and we're going to compare two investment accounts. This investment account is 5% simple interest and 4% compound interest. Now simple interest is interest only on the original deposit. Only on the original deposit. That means I originally deposit $600 and I get 5% of $600 each year. So 5% of $600, I brought this trusty calculator, so 0.05 times $600 is equal to $30. So I'm going to get $30 of interest my first year. That's going to give me $630 total. My second year, I'm only going to get 5% of the original balance. 5% of 600. I could do it again on the calculator, but it will give me the same value of $30. So this is 660, 690, 720, $750. In 5 years, this 5% simple interest account will give me $750. Now we look at compound interest. We're going to deposit $600 earning 4% compounded interest. Well, I like to say the phrase compound interest is interest on the interest gained. So you take 4% of your $600, 600 times 0.04 is equal to $24 for that first year. So that's $624 in the account my first year. Well, now I have to take 624 times 4%. And that's $24.96. So if I add that to 624, I get $648.98. And then now I take $648.98 and get my interest of 4%. So I'm going to multiply this by 0.04. and get $25.96, $25.96. I'm going to add that to $648.98. That gives me $674.94. I then take $674.94 times 0.04. That's going to give me, this is 26.997, so this is $27. Notice how the amount of interest keeps rising. This column keeps rising, whereas this column stays the same. So eventually, this column will become more than $30 of interest and will eventually be a better account for you to earn money. So if I add $27 to 674.94, I get 701.94, and then I take 4% of that, and I get $28.08, and add that to 701.94, and I get $730.02. Now, in the short term, simple interest is better. In the short term, simple interest is better as long as the percent is higher than the compound interest. But in the long term, what's going to happen is this column here is going to become greater and greater than $30, which means this column will be better than this column. In the long run, compound interest is much better and earns much more money than simple interest. Also, you can model simple interest with a linear function, and you can model compound interest with an exponential function. So just to show you what I'm talking about, an exponential function rises like this, whereas a linear function rises like this. There will be a point of time from here to here where the linear function is higher, But as soon as you reach that point where they intersect, the exponential or the compound interest is going to be much greater than the simple interest.